Hey!
Les Nigérians sont de petits points qui se déplacent sur la route.
Yes, Lieutenant. The building we see here, is it the Cathedral of Owerri, I think?
Yeah, it's Owerri.
At what distance are we from Owerri?
Roughly a quarter of a mile right now. A quarter of a mile.
How many miles did you push them back yesterday on this road?
About 4 to 6 miles.
Did you kill many Nigerians? We see some bodies on the road.
Yeah, we killed up to 50 of them.
How many?
Up to 50 of them.
Yes. And when do you think you can go into the city of Owerri?
We can enter Owerri before it is 10 o'clock this morning.
This morning at 10 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
We have seen the Nigerians running away there. Do you think you can advance rapidly?
Our boys are ready to move now. They are going to enter Owerri, charge the whole thing.
What's the tactics? Are there other Biafran troops around the city of Owerri?
Yeah, we have our boys in these menazes, and then both left and right.
Behind?
Inside, yeah.
Yes, you are all around the town,
around
though
the
you
town
cut
now.
the links of the Nigerians.
Yes, sir.
Le lieutenant pensait prendre la ville le jour même, mais c'est à ce moment précis que l'avance biafraise était freinée. Ils sont restés une semaine sur place avant de mettre le pied dans Owerri et la situation est toujours confuse dans ce secteur.